Hello, in this video we are going to be doing lesson 9 to 10. Lesson 9 is an unblocked activity, which is also a video. Watch this and then continue. We also start with a new one, which is called Read and Deviate. Once you're done watching this video, which will introduce you to the concept, go forward. Use 5 of the same blocks. Here it means 5 move forwards. But can we do some things like a repeat loop? With a move forward. Once you're done, press continue. What do you think will happen when you click run? That's right. Do you remember we did it in the second one? So the same thing will happen as it's the same. Will BB-8 move 5 times and get all of the scrap metal? Yes. So we were correct. Then watch the repeat loops with BB-8 video. Then continue. This time what are we supposed to do? Again. We'll again put a repeat loop and a forward in it. As you are facing in this direction, it will be no need to turn. Once you're done, just continue. Keep it up, BB-8. In this puzzle, 2 repeat loops. Okay, so we'll get the 2 repeat loops you wanted us to. So what do we do here? In the first repeat loop, you're right, it's only a number 4. And which direction? That's right, forward. But should you start the next repeat loop right away, or is there a turn? You're right, there is a turn. Left side or right? You're right, it is right. You can always change it from here. You can also change this to backward if you need it. Then 5 times, is that correct? Yes. You need to move forward, that's right. Once you're done, press continue. Go BB-8, Safari. What do you need to do here? That's right. First, you need to move forward. Then, you're right, we make a turn. To which side? You're right, that is right. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what do you think we put in this? Will we put a turn so he keeps on watching the directions, or will we put a forward so he can collect the rest of the scrap metal? So he can go and get all the scrap metal. When you come here, you'll see something like this. What do we need to do? That's right, you need to put a repeat loop. How many times? You're right, it is 3. Even though you haven't actually, you'll still complete the puzzle only there because it will stop on its own. You can do it. Can you try to get all the scrap metal using just one loop? Try it. Try programming it all out and then finding a repeat loop to put in a loop. So what do you think can happen? You need to go in this way, don't you think? So first forward, then a turn forward, forward. So what do you think? You're right, you need to get a repeat loop off. How many times? 5. Okay, let's try. Move forward. Was that a turn left or right? That's right, it's a right. Next. That's right. It is not a move forward then? You're right, that is left. Try it. See? That's how you do it. Challenge puzzle. Do you remember what we did in the last one? Yes. If so, then you can try to make it here and then go on this. Forward, turn left, forward, turn right. See? Forward, turn left, forward, turn right. Do you think that's correct to get all the way here? Or are there more than 5? You can try it here. Next, what do you do? You're right. You need to turn twice in the same direction. Then what? You have come this one here, but you also need to get these 3. That's right. 1, 2, 3, 5. 5 times you go forward. That's right. Like that. Use what you have learned to pick up all of the scrap metal. Here, what will you do? You have 11 blocks. So let's try the whole code. Forward, forward. Then it's a turn right. Then forward 3 times. Then you should use a repeat loop. 3 times forward. Good. So you have come till here. Then, you're saying a turn right. Then what? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Repeat 4 times. You're right. Then what do you need to do 4 times? Correct. Forward. Then, you're right. It's right. And then forward. If you can find out any place you have a repeat, you can try to put it. And then you're continuing. You're doing great. Keep it up. So here, do you see there's a pattern? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Do you think you can make it in a repeat loop? Okay, so let's try. Forward 3 times. How many times do you want to repeat this? 4 maybe? 3 times. Forward, how many times do you need to go? See, you can put a repeat loop in a repeat loop. Forward 3 times and then, that's right. Alright. Then what? Forward 3 times and then a left. So it's only a 2 here. Forward 3 times and then a left. 3 times and then left. Try doing it. Once you're done, continue. Look closely at the code below. What will happen when you click run? 2 times. 1, 2. The BB-8 will not travel too far in the first loop. That's not correct. BB-8 will not travel far enough in the first loop in order to get all of them. That's what happens. Correct. Continue. This time choose any path. So you can easily go forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Forward. And then what? Right. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times. Forward. Run. Bye, meet you next time.